Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out with how to add voice text on TikTok. It's not that difficult, so let's start this tutorial from now. Tap on the plus icon mid in the bottom, tap on upload, and then I will upload a picture of my favorite pen. Then do next, select and then do next. From here we want to remove the audio. Then tap on the double A right in the side. Then type in what you want that someone will speech for you. So POV, this is my favorite pen. Then tap on done. And then you will see double tap to edit text. So I want to tap on this text and then do text to speech. Alright, now there's a person that is saying what I just wrote down here in my picture, and this is seriously how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing or give this video a like, and thanks for watching.